So far, you have written a lot of Python code in your files. But what if you want to reuse your code in multiple projects? Instead of copying and pasting, you can create your own Python module, which is just a file with useful functions you can import anywhere. In today's video, we'll learn what a module is, how to create one, how to use it in another file, and how Python finds your module. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is a module? A module is just a .py file that contains functions, variables, or classes. Python has built-in modules like math or datetime. We can import them. So import math, then we can say import datetime. We can import these modules and use them. Now you can also create your own module with your custom logic. Now as you can see, the current file we are working in is the file1.py file. If I open the file explorer here, and here what I can do is I can create another Python file with the name myutils.py. Okay, now here I can create a function, so def greet, and we accept a parameter called name, and here we just tell return, then string formatting, and we say hello, and inside curly braces we say name. Now we can have another function, so def square, and there we accept a parameter called num, and here we just return num into num. So you now have two reusable functions. The file becomes your custom module. Now what I can do is I can go back to my file1.py file and remove this code, and here I can say that import myutils. So we are importing the code from this file. Okay, and here I can write the print statement and just write myutils dot. As you can see, PyCharm is suggesting me the functions. So I can call the greet function, and here I can give a argument like Gojo. As you can see, we don't have the greet function in this file. But if I run the file, means the file1.py, it says hello Gojo. But this function was in this file. So we are successfully using function from this file in this file. Okay, now we can write the print statement again, and here we can say myutils dot square, and we can pass 4 as argument, and if I run the code, you will see it prints 16. Now as you can see, we are importing the whole module, means the myutils file, and every function or object or classes this file contains, we are importing everything from this file inside our file1.py. But you don't always need to import the whole module. You can import only what you need. So for example, you don't need the square function, you just need the greet function. So you don't need to import the whole module. Instead of that, from that module you can import a greet. So you can write from myutilities import greet. Okay, and now instead of writing myutils.greet, just write greet. So you are telling Python, don't import everything from myutils, just import the greet function. Okay, and then you are just executing that function. So if I run the code, you'll see it prints hello Gojo. Now if you write here Naruto and run the code, you'll see it prints hello Naruto. So behind the scenes, Python looks for myutils.py in the same directory or in the Python path, then it loads the file and makes the functions available. Now as you can see, we are writing myutils, means the same of the file name what we have here. The file name is myutils.py, so we are writing here myutils as it is, but you can write this differently. What you can do is you can just write import myutils as mu. So this makes it shorter and sweeter. Then you can write mu.greet. Okay, now if you run the code, everything works as expected. Now you can ask why create modules. That is because it helps reuse code in different projects, keep files clean and readable, so you can put these two files in a separate folder. For example, in a utils folder, as you can see, there is so many files we have created, but if you put this file inside there in another folder like this, then it becomes easier to access and manage the files, and it becomes easier to find the utils files. So in this process, you can organize all the files here in this project. It also makes testing easier. It also helps share your code with others. And another question you can ask is, where does Python look for modules? So Python can look for modules in the current directory or built-in paths or any folder listed in the Python path environment variable. If Python can't find your module, it throws module not found error. So if you delete this file and try to run this code, it will say that module not found error. Then you can ask that, can a module import another module? And the answer is absolutely yes. Modules can import other modules like built-in or custom modules. Just make sure the paths are correct. Now let me give you a practice challenge. So create a module called math_utils.py, and that includes a function to check if a number is even. So function to check if number is even, and create another function that checks, that calculates factorial. Then import and use them in your another file. Make sure to do these tasks. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.